everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you are doing great. Today I'll be making bitter leaf soup. Before I start this recipe, I'm going to tell you how I do my bitter leaf from the scratch. If you are using fresh bitter leaf, the first thing you do is to rinse out the dirt from the bitter leaf. After that, you put it inside the pot, then pour some water inside. You can either use salt or potash, which is also known as Efirin. Put it inside the bitter leaf. The reason why you do this is because it will take out the bitter taste out of the bitter leaf. If you are this type that wants your bitter leaf soup to be very bitter, you just boil this bitter leaf for 5 minutes. While if you don't like your bitter leaf soup to be bitter, you boil it for 20 minutes. After boiling it, you carry it out and rinse it with a fresh water. Then you put it inside your blender. Then you can now add your fresh pepper if you are using fresh pepper, onion, crayfish, everything you want to blend the bitter leaf with. You put it and blend it. After that, you get your smooth paste, your bitter leaf mix. So guys, as you can see, I've already started cooking my meat. Inside this place, I have some shaki and some beef. I'm going to be using the meat stock water to cook my bitter leaf soup. I'll pour in my blended bitter leaf. I blended it with onion. I will stir it round. I will add half teaspoon of Cameroon pepper. I will add 2 tablespoons of grounded crayfish. I will stir it round. I'll cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. So guys, it's up to 5 minutes now. I'll turn it round. I'll pour the palm oil inside. Then turn it round. Now I'll add my already clean catfish. Then turn it round. I will add my well cleaned shrimps, then turn it round. I will add 2 Maggi Cubes. I will add half teaspoon of salt. I will turn it round. Now I'm going to test if I have to put more spice. Everything is okay. Remember, I use my meat stock water. I'll cover it and allow it to cook for 10 minutes. So guys, it's up to 10 minutes now. I'll turn it round for the last time. So this is the final result of my bitter leaf soup. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.